exploring light matter hybrids, swirling together, creating glowing waves and sparks. Have you ever wondered what happens when light and matter combine to create something entirely new? Meet light matter hybrids, a groundbreaking phase of matter that's changing the way we understand the universe. Waves bouncing inside and interacting with particles. One fascinating example of a light matter hybrid is the polariton. Polaritons form when light is trapped in tiny optical cavities where it interacts intensely with matter. This creates a hybrid particle that combines the lightweight, fast-moving nature of photons with the interaction abilities of matter. Polaritons zipping around, demonstrating low mass and strong interactions. These hybrids inherit unique properties from both light and matter. Thanks to their photon-like small mass, they can move quickly, while their matter-like properties allow them to interact in ways photons normally can't. Transition to an animation of electric currents flowing smoothly through a material. What's even more exciting is their similarity to superconductors. Light matter hybrids can exhibit resistance much lower than their original state, opening the door to energy-efficient technologies. A glowing quantum circuit switching states rapidly. Beyond that, they enable quantum properties that go beyond the limits of ordinary materials. Imagine being able to switch quantum states at optical speeds, revolutionizing computing and communication. Visually, a dynamic field of molecules interacting with rippling waves of light. These hybrids can also spread across a large number of molecules, becoming delocalized, dispersive, or even momentum sensitive. It's like watching a wave spread across the ocean, but on a molecular scale. A futuristic lab with ultra-fast lasers firing bursts of light. Studying these phenomena is no small feat. Light matter interactions happen on attosecond timescales, a billionth of a second. Capturing these fleeting moments requires cutting-edge technology and precision. Closing scene, a montage of glowing polaritons, superconducting materials, and futuristic quantum systems. Light matter hybrids represent a new frontier in science. From polaritons to quantum switching, they're paving the way for innovations we can barely imagine today. Thanks for joining us on this journey into the incredible world of light matter hybrids. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more.